Well, the North Avenue Rising is a joint project between MDOT MTA and Baltimore City Department of Transportation to make a variety of transportation investments along the North Avenue corridor to improve the economic revitalization along that corridor and the conditions for folks in the communities along that corridor.
So tell us about some of the improvements that people can expect to see through North Avenue Rising.
So there are a variety of different pieces involved in the project. Some of it includes dedicated bus lanes along the corridor, sidewalk improvements, roadway repaving, the addition of bike share facilities along the corridor, as well as parallel bicycle facilities, and improvements to the metro station, the Penn North Metro Station.
I guess it's one of the longest streets in the city, from West Baltimore to East Baltimore. Where along that stretch of roadway will North Avenue Rising actually occur?
So North Avenue Rising is going to have impacts along the full 5-mile length of North Avenue, from, we say, Hilton Avenue in the west side to Milton Avenue on the east side. And there's going to be sort of targeted investments at different points along that corridor, but there'll be pieces happening along almost the entire length of that corridor.
And when will the various projects that you mentioned begin?
So we're just starting out the process right now. We applied for a grant from the federal government back in April of 2016 and heard in August 2016 that we were receiving that grant. It's taken us a year to go through the federal grant authorization process. And now we're just starting out a public involvement process with a variety of kickoff meetings, and we're getting the ideas from those that will go into a series of concepts that we'll develop, and then have a set of meetings in February 2018 where we bring those pieces back out to the community. We'll spend the rest of 2018 sort of finalizing the design based on the comments that we get in that process, and then we'll be working on procurement in 2019, and then there'll be construction starting in 2019 and going through 2020 and finishing at the end of 2021.